Want to run several operating systems from just one USB flash drive? You'll need to create a multi-boot USB, a single drive that lets you choose from different OS options at startup. Once set up, you can plug the USB into your computer, boot it, and select which operating system you'd like to launch or install. This kind of setup is especially handy for developers, IT professionals, or anyone who works across multiple systems. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a multi-OS USB using a powerful tool called Ventoy. Click the like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Ventoy. Click on this website. Here, click on Download section. Now select this one. Now click on Download latest version and it will start downloading. Once the file is downloaded, extract it. Select any folder and click Extract. Now open this folder, then run the setup file. You will see an interface like this. Now choose the USB flash drive that you want to use. Use a high-quality USB drive that is larger than 16 gigabytes. The higher the storage capacity, the more ISO files you can add into the USB. Click the Install button. It says that it will format the USB drive. Click Yes. Ventoy has been successfully installed on the device. Now if we open this PC, you will see the Ventoy drive. Now we have to add the ISO files to this drive. I have already downloaded the ISO files, so I will copy them and paste to the Ventoy drive. Now, if you want to boot your PC or laptop from this, then connect it to your PC and then restart it. Once your PC restarts, then press boot key of your system and you will see an interface like this. You can choose any one that you want and you are good to go.